So it's the next morning, and Reagan needs to get her workout in.
Oh, you just wait for me.
You getting your workout in, girl? Yeah. That's hilarious.
I didn't know she'd be able to push that or not.
Well, she's strong.
She's doing good.
Getting it, girl. You're so tiny on there. It's so cute. That's so funny.
Remember how to stop, right?
That's funny.
Go slow, then you stop.
Good girl.
You done?
You're funny, girl. Pretty girl. Whoa, whoa. You okay? Okay. Okay, you getting it.
My goodness.
Okay. That's hilarious.
I don't go that fast. I start
No.
out slow.
You still do this every day? Or like,
Yeah, whenever I'm watching a show, I hop off, get on for about 6 minutes is what the commercials last. And so I do that several
okay,
times.
hang on, Reagan. Oh, nice. That's nice.
Now, my second part of my workout.
Okay.
Push-ups.
Some push-ups. Okay, get it, buddy. Hey, be careful. Slow down, girl. Not so fast, girl.
Yep.
Good job, buddy. It's okay, girl. Slow down. You are moving now, girl.
That was easy.
Because she's trying to keep up with her brother. How you doing this morning, Mom?
I'm doing good.
Nice.
Slept real good.
Yep, same.
5 minutes sleep. I don't think I slept.
Yep, I slept good. Oh, girl. Okay, girl.
Did you sleep all right?
This girl a maniac. She going so fast.
Well, I couldn't sleep.
Yes
But
and
yeah.
no.
So,
right?
yep, slept good. Just gonna hang out, probably eat some breakfast. Yeah, just chill.
Y'all, we were supposed to leave 3 hours ago. Man.
Stomach is still doing something.
It is, we turned up a little bit too much last night. And now we're paying the price. Missing our whole day. Because it gets dark at 5 o'clock. And
it
it's
was
been the
cold.
prettiest day
Today was
here.
so pretty. Yesterday it rained
It is
all day.
the prettiest day. We've not even seen the sun here. Not even seen it. And yes, I have a full mug. Because I had no travel. And I was like, I can't have a headache. I need this coffee. So now we're finally leaving. And it's only like 36 minutes away, which is probably the shortest drive that we've had thus far. So. that we see on this street. This man got a whole thing.
Pink and turquoise book bag
I need
on a bike. Like he's gonna transport things right away or whatever. He's gonna deliver it, install it. He probably had his tools in that bag.
Right.
What he gotta do.
This is life.
We had a good breakfast. It was nice. We went to IHOP. Nothing major. So we had a
That
good
was too
time.
hard anyway.
We're out here chilling. It's nice outside, y'all. It's so bright too.
Zip would be hard. Hard to catch a lizard too. So fast.
Could it be? Reagan just freaked out about this ladybug down here, or the guy bug. Whoa, be careful. The guy bug down here. You okay, girl?
Certain times they come out, but
She wasn't too excited about that.
well, it just thought she was awful sweet.
I know, you're super sweet,
And you
girl.
are sweet. You're the prettiest little thing I have seen in a long time.
Oh, I have never told you this,
But
Grandma. I got stung by a bee before.
oh, yeah, they
Yeah.
kind of hurt, don't they?
You also got stung by what? What else? In Jamaica?
A jellyfish.
My
It
goodness.
was huge.
Would you step on it when you was
Don't
walking?
know.
No, here's exactly what happened. I was just sitting playing in the sand next to the sea. So a wave came up and then I just felt something on my leg.
Oh my.
I was like, oh. It felt like
Ow!
it felt like something stung me,
Yeah.
and I looked at it. It was kind of red,
Uh-huh.
and then Daddy saw it. It was
Yeah.
huge.
What did you do to keep it from stinging?
We asked like the
We
nurse
asked them
to-
for something that, like whatever they say it's good for. We asked them for it, but we.
like salt, but like it wasn't stinging that.
I couldn't. They didn't have whatever we needed.
Oh, okay.
So he just it got better. It wasn't
Yeah.
it wasn't too bad. So it got better. So
Well, that's good.
yeah, it was a small
Wait, Regan,
small little
is
baby.
that blue wrapper grape?
Yes,
What, you opened them all?
you're so cute.
I'll be right back.
That's you're hilarious, buddy. Hilarious, but yeah,
She opened all of those suckers.
hilarious.
Here's the wrappers.
This girl. Grandma bought them some Tootsie Roll Pops, so they were, excited about that. But yeah, so we hanging out.
No,
but
it's all
it is
gone.
now like 12:18. The game starts at 3, so we'll be leaving here in probably 15 minutes or so, and then
And it's all gone now.
head over towards Mark's to get settled in and
Yeah,
watch the
yeah,
game.
yeah,
So
yeah.
we had a good time. This was fun. And, yeah.
What
You guys had a good time hanging with Grandma?
favorite one is your favorite?
Well, out of these ones that you've got, probably the orange one.
The grape. I want the grape.
Okay. Okay, thank you. But you guys have fun with Grandma? Yeah. I'm glad.
Is Grandma coming with us? No.
Well, not today.
No, not today.
Not today. Say today.
Today.
I love how she says today. Today. Say not today.
Not today.
Today.
No, not today. I'm
Today.
writing
All right.
down. I'm writing the name down.
Oh, cool.
I'm writing Regan Middleton's.
Oh, great.
Here you go. I'm writing her kudos.
Oh, great. Are
Here you
you
go.
a teacher? Hilarious.
On my first math test in third grade,
Yeah, so we're going to give some
Guess what I got?
hugs and
Probably an
and then
A.
probably get on the road.
I got an A.
Yeah, can kinds. Love you too, sweetie.
Love you.
And you have fun too. Have fun.
I want to
playing
take Sky.
Xbox. Yep.
Right?
I have an Xbox 362 at my house.
You taking? Oh yeah. So Grandma gave Reagan a snowman. Let me see the front, baby. Yeah. So she's taking the snowman home with her.
Never made it to the spring, and it's freaking beautiful. First of all, I'm mad because we were supposed to stay here, and I didn't want to pay to stay because it's not all inclusive. I was like, I'm not gonna do, no, not to be all up in one room together. No, girl, Parker, how many rooms was it?
It was a very large 2-bedroom suite. So it had a living room and 2 bedrooms.
That's not the room you sent me that it had. It had a big bed, and then there was one room. So the main area had the bed, and then there was one room.
That's true. If there was a living room and 2 rooms, that would have been in the room.
Yeah. I'm gonna just show you. Look at this view. It's amazing. Like, beautiful. But we're here now. We're gonna enjoy it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna stay here.
All 3
With my husband.
So y'all, we finally made it to Uncle Mark's house and Aunt Connie.
Hey, camera.
Yeah. Chad's up there somewhere. He's up there in the lodge. But the game is about to start.
Daddy, come up here. Come up here, please.
Why, buddy? The game is on.
There's 1 minute left. Daddy.
He's so excited about Fortnite.
1 minute left.
So Mark here. So this is Nurse Connie.
Exactly.
So Mark had a surgery. How you feeling?
Good.
Okay, let me tell you. He's walking around like I guess he is an old man. So he's walking around a little bit older. But yeah, he's. Oh my goodness, girl, what is wrong, sweetie? Then let's go potty. This girl right here is keeping me busy. But yeah, so Buddy's walking around. You were walking around pretty good. I thought you was gonna be like laid on the couch, like not be able to move. So yeah, you ready for the game? No cheering, no extreme cheering for you, okay? Or being mad.
Yeah, exactly.
You ready for the game?
Roll Tide.
That's right. We are ready. So we went to the store before we came here, and Chad Jr. got a new hat. So he's not wearing it, of course. And then we got our stuffy. And so he's got a new game up here. Let me go check him out real quick. You gonna go show me the game? Come on. Let's go see real quick. Huh? Not real quick. Okay.
27.
What's up, buddy?
26. 25.
You excited?
You have 20 more seconds.
So Chad, this is chapter 3 of Fortnite is releasing in 17 seconds. So Chad's excited. He brought his own Xbox so that he could do this. Watch out, Reagan. Watch out, baby. 4, 3, 2, 1. Nothing. You excited, buddy?
It's shaking.
No, there it is.
What's happening?
Chapter 3 is happening. Whatever that means.
Chapter 3 of Fortnite. Play
Awesome.
it right away.
There you go, buddy.
Play chapter 3. Play
Oh,
Fortnite.
Lord. That's hilarious.
If
Not sponsored.
Tell them.
Alright, well, go down here and watch this game.
This is amazing. Absolutely mad that we did not stay here because this is a vibe. But I'm coming back with my boo. These hot springs feel good. Oh, sorry. We got here and I didn't vlog the thing. I showed a lot on my Instagram though. Are you following me on Instagram? If not, going over there. Maybe I'll stick some Instagram footage in here. But it's beautiful. Like this resort is great. And we took full advantage of our day pass. We're getting ready to go have dinner at a fancy restaurant. We bought a change of clothes. We can, you know, be cute or whatever. And yeah, we're gonna see what this good dinner is talking about. Head on back to the house.
So, let's talk about the SEC championship. Let's talk about the Alabama versus Georgia game. There were some comments on the vlogs, you know, when I talked about, you know, Alabama roll tide, you know, talking about how Georgia was gonna, you know, run through Alabama.
Hey, right in front of them.
That's right, roll tide, y'all, roll tide. I mean, you know what? Hey, but big up to Georgia. Georgia played a respectable game. I mean, they played a really good game. Just Bama just played Bama football, and Georgia wasn't ready for that. So, I'm sitting here with Mark. He's all covered up in his cute little blanket.
That's right. The problem was Georgia believed their own hype.
Yeah, I think
They just forgot to show up.
I mean, yeah, Georgia just. Well, I think, you know, I think that they haven't seen an offense like Alabama when we actually show up and play the way we can play. But yeah, no, it was it was a good game. So Alabama won 41-24, the exact same score that we beat them last year when we played. Well, last year was just in the regular season; it wasn't for the SEC championship. So this one obviously was much more important. But now that means that we are going to be making the playoffs. So I don't know what position, but that means there's more Alabama football. And I am excited about that. Gabriel is probably like, dang it. But I'm excited. But yeah, we're sitting there chilling. We're watching the Michigan and Iowa game right now. And just hanging out. Chad Jr. talked Connie into going upstairs and playing some pool. I'm going to go up there when it's halftime and play with him as well. So yeah, we're just chilling. How's it going up here?
She has 2 more balls up until she has.
So Aunt Connie's not taking easy on you?
No, he actually beat me. Whenever I broke, 8 ball went straight
That's
in.
so funny.
So he won his first.
Look at you, dude.
Yeah.
You're so cute.
He's doing great.
Good job, buddy.
What on earth were you doing to get something? A diary of the kid going. We gotta go.
Okay, good to go. They're ready. That's so funny.
Let's see if we can do a Wow.
Oh, you did the
Ooh, she tried.
I tried.
All right, buddy. Show me what you got, dude.
You know you're banned from playing. Somebody is going to get hurt. What?
Yeah, he's ready. He's ready.
Okay.
Whoa, geez.
Right. And Riley's parents are in.
Look right here.
Okay, buddy.
I'm trying to hit it on the right side so get your knuckle. There you go. We've got a knuckle in it here. Let's see how it is. Oh!
Oh! Dude, that was a good looking shot, dude.
Good shot. Looking good.
Dude, you did amazing.
Thank you.
That's right, dude. He just beat me because I scratched on the 8 ball.
Yep.
Oh well. He's playing good though. I'm proud of him. Good job, buddy.
What time is it?
It is now 9:30. Be careful.
There's more hours.
Oh yeah.
I'm not tired.
Yo, look at all of this rain. Ooh. This rain ain't loyal. This Sparkle hot talented, honey. She driving she running so fast. Y'all, we supposed to be doing the waterfall today. Don't look like we doing nobody's water nothing.
Already a waterfall.
It is a waterfall right now. Okay.
We cute though.
We're real cute. I'm mad too. I was ready to get my picture with the waterfall. I'm down to get up in the morning and go. It opened at 7. If we got here right at 7, did it, then headed to the airport or back to San Jose. Is it San Jose? San Juan.
San Jose.
Is it San Jose? Okay, I couldn't remember. Saying one of them. Oh, but see, it calmed down.
It's still not calm.
I mean, calmer. don't know what we gonna do if it don't stop raining. We were supposed to go to the waterfall and then back to the springs, but I don't want to be out there in the rain in the springs neither.
I say what we do.
But I would take getting in a hot spring with the rain versus trekking down to a waterfall. I don't know. What you think?
I don't want to trek to nothing in this rain. Because even the little bit of rain we had the other day when we hiked, it made it harder. It's slippery, and you know what I'm saying? And
It's pavement.
Oh, it's pavement here?
Yeah, it's just stairs.
Okay.
Yeah, we just go downstairs. So it's paved the whole way until you get down to the rocks. Oh yeah.
I bust my knee,
What are we
y'all.
gonna do? Guys, look at this. The rain cleared up. So we are taking our chances, going down to the waterfall. We can't swim in the waterfall because of the rain that was here, but we still get some good pictures.
My fittest.
So this is what we do. We just walk downstairs. There are 530 stairs, I believe they said, 530. So yeah, you just come on down.
Yeah, it's
Or people that travel all the time, like.
Yo no aguanto. Yo no aguanto.
Vamos, Tilín, dice.
No, ella. Hey, ya no aguanta. Hey, ya no aguanta agarrar el talón.
Look at this water. Crazy. This is amazing. Like, amazing. It's so beautiful. So this is where we want to get to so we can take a picture down at the rock. This is where we want to get to.
I don't know about this.
You ain't ready?
I ain't got the proper shoes on. These things, I need shoes. Or do we go barefoot? Like,
You can do what you feel comfortable. Slide it down. Look at that. We are legit down here at the waterfall, y'all. At the waterfall. We're down here at the waterfall. Like, legit down here. This is crazy. How cool is this? Mother just had her own photo shoot. I love it. Alright, so I came, I saw, I conquered the La Fortuna waterfall. Yay! They left me, they're up there now. I'm basically down here by myself. So we did it, and now we journey back up the stairs.
how long can we go? Did you turn your watch on for this one?
No, I took it off. I hadn't put it back on. So pretty. Lunch was great. Now we're about to get in this hot spring. We were gonna do the slide, but we're not really pressed to do the slide. We just want to get in the hot spring because it feels so good. So good when you get in this bad boy. For real, for real. And I don't know if I told you guys, but like this resort is called the Springs Resort and Spa. And they have day passes. So if you don't stay here, but you're in the La Fortuna area, you can still come and spend the day, like from 10 to 10. So I'm so glad they have that because we did 2 days and it's just great. This was actually where we were gonna stay. And then I was like, I'm not paying this much because it's not all inclusive. I gotta go on my stomach?
Yeah, like in the picture. Actually, it's the safest way.
We gotta go on our stomach.
So what's that mean? I can't get a video?
Yeah, I can hold it like this.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
He's like, yeah, you really, oh my goodness. Wait. This, huh? Oh. Okay, wait. I gotta hold it.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. This is crazy. I'm coming! Oh my God! Oh my God! What I tell y'all that song? I still don't think I got it. Sparkle, you alive. Oh my God. Oh my God. Sparkle did not get it. Why has this happened to me twice?
Look at this video. You're going to kill me. Like I was looking directly at you and not at the camera.
I am traveling with the worst people ever. I ain't got a good picture, a good video. Y'all.
This is so horrible. Like I promise you, I'm looking directly at you and then I forgot, oh no, I'm supposed to look at the camera.
When I tell you that was so fast. That was so fast. Oh my gosh. That was awesome though. Kelly braiding up her hair.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Whew. What does my hair look like? Oh, I can't see in this. I think it's fine. My hair look okay?
Yeah, yours is mine.
That was good. It's so fast.
Oh, you have to use the mat?
Yeah.
Okay.
Kelly is going to be hilarious coming down because it's that fast.
Do it again. You want to do it again?
I'm going to go back up there. Because I can't believe you didn't get that.
Girl. Literally. Literally.
Y'all, we all did it. Hey. And we survived. It was amazing. Now we're going back to the room to get ready for our massages. Woo. All right, so I never vlogged while we were here yesterday, but we're back at the Springs and we're having lunch. I'll show you what we're having. I've got shrimp quesadilla, sauteed sauteed veggies, and plantains. Sparkle got the same thing she got yesterday.
Double down.
Double down on the ceviche. Kale's got the same thing I got.
I copy all the time.
But you guys, look at the view. We never showed you this yesterday. That's the volcano. But it's really hard to see.
Some ships are made of metal. Some ships are made of wood. But the best ships are friendships and sisterhood.
Yay! COVID test. This is for travel, and they have like an app where you can get your results and stuff. So I'm a little nervous about this, but we're gonna see how it goes. Like download the app, log in, and then it tells you not to open the test. Like it says that, do not open the test. I have to log in on my desktop. I will be asked to present my ID. Do I have a valid photo ID with me? Yes. Let's make sure your device is ready. Do you hear the sound? Yes. Yes, I'm ready. Please, this is nerve-wracking.
Now open the test card. Make sure not to touch the inside of it. Lay it completely flat and the 2 holes must be on your right side.
Yes.
You can bend the card on its back so that it will stay flat on your table.
Okay.
Alright. Now get the dropper bottle and remove the cap. And hold the bottle vertically half an inch over the top smaller hole and slowly add 6 drops of liquid there. Please let me know when you're finished, okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
You see the bottom hole, the bigger hole there?
Oh, put it in there.
Alright. And then push it through. That is enough. Then twirl the swab stick 3 times to your right and leave the swab there.
1, 2, 3.
Thank you so much. So Gabriel, I'm going to start the timer in a moment. Make sure not to touch or disturb the card. A certified guide will be with you in 15 minutes to assist you in interpreting your results.
Okay.
You are free to move away from the screen, but make sure you're back before the 15 minutes are up, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome, and thank you so much for choosing EMED. Have a good one, and always keep safe. Goodbye for now.
Bye. That was pretty painless. This is actually the test that we take at home when we have to take tests. Babe always does it for me, so it's weird because I don't normally do it. But yeah, should be cool.
Together, we will interpret and record your results.
Okay.
Can you please hold your test card in front of your device camera to scan the QR code and so I can see your result? Alright, just give me a second. Okay, so you've been tested negative for COVID-19.
Yeah, my results aren't on there yet on the app, but sheesh, so bright. This is where they'll be once I get them. Pretty convenient. Oh, okay. She been wanting curls.
Yeah. She said she wanted ponytails yesterday with Mom before we went to breakfast, but then I got the curls done and combed out, and she's like, "No, I'm good." She was done with the. Reagan, be careful where you put that, okay?
That is so funny.
She was done with they're doing the hair for the moment.
That's so funny. They're having massages outside. How awesome is that? Yay. This is great. We got facials and coffee scrubs.
My eyelid. There's not a part of my body.
With the whole waterfall in the background. Look, Kelly can't get it together. I'm about done. I want another one, and we won't be here tomorrow. I want another one.
Look it again.
Okay, I want another one already.
Amazing.
Amazing. Yeah. I'm still in awe.
Like, I'm just zenned out.
Zenned out. You guys, look at how cute this is. We have our private show. Are you guys ready for us?
Yeah, we're ready.
You ready? Okay. I know, right? This is so beautiful. Gracias.
You're welcome.
Alright, that's the ceviche. Yeah.
So I didn't tell you what we have on the table, so
do you mind being on? You don't mind? Okay.
So what we have to drink and to start is what we call the magic lemonade. So what we do is out of the flowers you see floating is butterfly peach flower. So we make a like an infusion. Out of the infusion, what we do is like a tea. So the color out of the flower will get released into the water. So then I ice cube it, so freeze it, so like ice cubes. Then when you pour the lemonade and the acidity of the lemon touch the ice cubes and start melting, change the color from blue in the ice creams to purple. So that's why we call it magic lemonade, but it doesn't really change the flavor of the lemon, so it's pretty cool. So to start, we have a mango, avocado, and red onion salad. On the side we have a little bit of avocado puree, and we have some sweet potato chips and a couple of green plantain chips and rice puff rice.
It looks great.
Paper. So
this is not the
Thank you.
So we keep the freshness. So it has a combination of 3 quarter peppers, red onions, a little bit of cilantro, and cucumbers from my garden, a little bit radishes, and microgreens and flowers from my garden. Green plantain. That one comes really good with the hot sauce you see in the review. That sauce is also organic and all made from my garden, so it's pretty good. It combines really good with the ceviche. So it's a Queen Sivas, Chilean Sivas ceviche. So help you.
Thank you.
Sir. So what we have here.
How long have you been a chef?
I'm a 4th generation cook, so this has been my pretty much entire life.
Really?
I am a self-taught chef.
Self-taught. You didn't go to like culinary or anything? That's awesome.
Everything has been taught by people that I met during my life.
Wow.
A lot of these, how I was telling you, is my family recipes that I twist a little bit into my own.
I love that.
So this is a lot of how I do it.
Gracias.
So, this is a lot what I do. Like I take my grandma for recipes from my family. All right. So what we have here is a steam package with the sea bass, a little bit butter and some fresh vegetables from my garden, like the corn, lemongrass, baby carrots, the pepper. Everything you have over there has never seen a chemical or spray. I have a full-time gardener. When stuff like the weeds start growing, keep picking, and then everything grows, or the good stuff like the delicate stuff we grow in a greenhouse because the rain here is too much. So,
yeah.
I hope you guys like it. So we did a lot of effort to try to don't use pesticides.
Thank you.
Thank you. Y'all, this is so good. I feel like every time I get on camera, I'm talking about how good everything is or how awesome something is. But that's how this whole trip has been, like from start to finish. It's been amazing. The only sketchy part was the drive down on the first day.
The drive anywhere.
True.
That's the only
drive anywhere. It's a mess. Be prepared, okay?
Like Star on 19.
Yum.
Okay, as a 4 course or second meal.
I know, right?
We had a filet mignon. Okay, we cooked this steak sous vide style for over an hour before we got here. And then we make some mashed potatoes, crumbled bacon, and some bacon as well, like baked bacon. And then we have some vegetables, mushrooms, baby carrot roll, green onions, green beans from my garden, and cherry tomatoes with a reduced demi-glace gravy on the top.
Look at it. Oh, this looks great. For Kale's birthday. Yay! How exciting.
Another one, thank you.
Oh, could you pause the music, please?
Oh yeah, we do have.
Because you don't want it to be copywritten. I'm not sure if I came and told y'all this, but dinner was amazing. Like, everything was so good. So good. And the chef was really cool. Talked to us a lot about his life and the dishes and all that stuff, so it was really good. Excuse me, I'm packing. I'm about 90% packed, and then I'm going to bed because it is late. I don't even know what time it is, but I'm pretty sure it's after midnight, and we're supposed to be leaving at 7 so we can get on the road. It's gonna be a long day of travel tomorrow. I'm not ready.
All my peeps in the place with a smile on their face. You know we keeping it real, but it's all heart-shaped love.